are going to be solving this word problem together. Now, I know that I need to read the problem twice just to make sure. James has 12 video games. His friend came over with 5 more video games. How many video games does James and his friend have together? I'm going to read it once more. James has 12 video games. His friend came over with 5 more video games. How many video games does James and his friend have together? Now, I know that I should circle the numbers, so the important numbers are 12 and 5. And underline keywords. He has 12 video games, and his friend came over with 5 more video games. More. I think that word more gives me a clue. James, how many video games does James and his friend have together? So that tells me that we're going to join. We're going to add. Now for the success criteria checklist, I'm going to use objects from home, and I have beans. I have these black beans, and I'm just going to lay it out to add 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so that's 12. I'm going to count to make sure. And I can count my 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I have 12 beans up here and 5 down here. And it asks how many video games does James and his friend have together, all together. So that means I add. So I'm just going to count all together. I know this is 12 already. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And let's write the number sentence for that. I'm going to move it up. So I know that says 12 plus 5, and it equals 17. 17 video games. Another way you can do it is by drawing a math model. So I'm going to take these beans out, and I'm going to do a 10 frame, a double 10 frame actually. So double 10 frame. I have one up here, and I have one down here. And I just divide it in half to make my 10 frame. And I need 5 on top, 5 on bottom, so there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same thing down here. And I'm going to put the beans again. 1, 2, oops. And you can use whatever objects you have at home. If you have little erasers, if you have any of the squares that we sent home, you can use those too. You can draw your 10 frame larger if you want. So that's 12, and then it said 5 more, so I'm just going to put these 5 down here. And I know that if I moved it like this, it would be 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so you could draw it like that, or you could draw it like this if you want. Now I'm going to go back and draw the simple circles. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 5 more. I'm going to use a different color. Five more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we count it all together, it equals 17. So that's one example of a math model. Another example of a math model is a number bond. Remember the three circles? That's the number bond. So I'm going to draw that, and I have space right here. I'm going to draw it right here. Is a number bond. So we're trying to find the total amount. So this would be the unknown. We don't know what the total is, but we know there's 12 here and there's 5 here. And I could write the number. Or I could also draw dots, and that would look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a little small. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll do it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when you add them all together, it would equal 17. Now let me show you how I would do that with the beans. So this was 12, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 beans in here, and then 5 beans over here. And with the number bond, you're just going to push it over here to add it up. So I already know this is 12. I'm not going to count it again because I knew it was 12. So 12, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 video games. So 12, 5, 17. Okay. And here is the number sentence. So I showed y'all how to use the beans, or like I said, you can use whatever you want at your house. This is the 10 frame. This is the number bond. This is the number sentence, 12 plus 5 equals 17. And I labeled it 17 video games. Now, on the checklist, it says that for you to explain your answer. How can you explain it using mathematical language? Mathematical language is like add, subtract, take away all together. And I'm going to explain it by I know that if I have 12 and I get 5 more, I will have 17 in all. Okay, and then you could also put I added if you want to. All right, and this last part, parents, is just for your child to be able to explain what they're thinking. We're trying to have them be metacognitive. Like, can you explain what you're thinking? To think about your thinking. Okay, I hope this video helps.